In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have unlimited daily chats with Copilot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into it. So you might be wondering what Copilot is all about. Well, Copilot is a powerful AI tool designed to assist you in various tasks, from brainstorming ideas to drafting emails and even coding help. The best part? You can chat with Copilot as much as you want, making it an excellent resource for your daily needs. First things first, if you don't already have access to Copilot, you'll need to set up an account. Head over to the platform you want to use it with. Many people typically utilize Copilot in applications like code editors or documentation tools. If you haven't signed up yet, just follow the prompts on their site to create your account. It will usually involve entering some basic information and confirming your email address. Once your account is set up, you can start having conversations with Copilot. Most platforms provide a simple chat interface. You simply type your message into the chat window, and before you know it, Copilot will respond. It's like having an assistant right at your fingertips. Now, to truly have unlimited chats, you need to be aware of a couple of tips and tricks. First, don't shy away from asking specific questions. The more precise you are, the better the responses you'll receive. For example, instead of asking, "Can you help me with a project?" you might say, "Can you suggest some ideas for a project on renewable energy?" This specific approach helps Copilot understand what you need and deliver tailored responses. Next, it's important to engage in a back-and-forth dialogue. Once Copilot provides an answer, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions or for clarifications. This back-and-forth mimics a natural conversation, allowing for deeper insights and more comprehensive assistance. Feel free to explore different angles of a topic or request Copilot to elaborate on something you find intriguing. If you're worried about limits on how long you can chat or how many queries you can make in a day, don't be. Most platforms provide generous limits, and if you ever hit a snag, they usually have options for increased usage. Just look into the subscription plans they may offer, if that's something you're interested in. Another important aspect is to keep your conversations flowing by exploring various topics. For instance, if you started discussing a project, you could pivot to brainstorming timelines, resources, or potential challenges. This versatility will not only keep the chats interesting, but also highly productive. Additionally, if you find that you're enjoying a particular thread of conversation, consider taking notes. You might want to document key suggestions, insights, or even entire conversations that can serve as reference material later. Just remember to save any essential notes you make. As a side note, keep in mind best practices for engaging with AI. Approach the conversation with patience. Sometimes the responses may not be exactly what you expect. This is all part of the learning curve of working with AI. If it's not quite right, refine your question and try again. Lastly, remember to take breaks and allow yourself to step away occasionally. This helps refresh your mind and could even lead to new ideas that you hadn't considered. When you come back to chat with Copilot, you might have a clear direction or new questions to ask. So there you have it. By following these tips, you're well on your way to maximizing your interaction with Copilot for unlimited daily chats. Remember to engage specifically, keep the conversation going, and stay open to new ideas. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Happy chatting and enjoy your time with Copilot.